In this video, we're going to be installing a full exhaust system on this 992 GT3. So let's get the car into the workshop and get the work started. Right guys, we've got the stock exhaust system off the GT3 now. We've got a BRE valved rear section to go onto this car, and we've got some Armatrix headers. So between these two exhaust components, this car is going to sound epic. So let's get the bits installed onto the car and then you can hear what it sounds like. Right guys, that's it for this GT3. If you're interested in unleashing the proper sound from your Porsche, don't hesitate to get in touch. And as always guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.